Yep. Oh yeah, we're done for the day. We're headed to the bottom. The question is, do you want to ski to the bottom or do you want to gondola to the bottom?
Oh, I can ski to the bottom. It depends on what you're up for.
I'm fine. That's what I was planning on, skiing to the bottom. This was the last run of the day. That's what I told Mom whenever I texted her when we were at the bottom. I was like, hey, we're gonna go up to the top of the mountain and finish the day off and just do one run.
All right.
So it's 3:30.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, yeah. Not tomorrow. Maybe Monday. Huh? Yeah, that's pretty quick. You guys too? Huh? You guys too? Yeah. Worse. If we can squeeze in with everybody. Alright. Yep. So you're over there.
Oh, wow, that's cool. All right, so we are on the...
You wonder where we're at? We're right here. Elkhead Express.
Right.
So we're going to go up to Elkhead, or to Thunderhead Lodge. That's where we're going to drop off at.
All right, perfect. But then,
what are you trying to
nice, we're trying to go right here.
So you can either do Heavenly Days, which is a blue.
Yeah.
But it's probably, I don't know how to do it, but probably doable.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. We got excited like over here. We got all this stuff.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So that's what I would do. Because this comes up in here. We'll have that little saddle that you have to go across. But to get the Thunderhead Lodge, you can catch like Spur Run or whatever that comes across there. Yeah, Heavenly Days up there and run down here to get you back there.
I guess even Valley takes us there too, right?
Yeah. If you want to kick off and run Valley, you can do that too.
All right, there you go. I think we figured it out. All right, thanks. Yeah, we're New Mexico. We're here for that.
Texas.
The border cross races, so we got that cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so we've been doing it. We're there all the morning. We've been watching all the snowfall.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, because we're going to go catch the greens and just go chill out, catch like wine out, roll back over here, and decide whether or not we're going to go back over to the BC Skiway or if we're going to take wine all the way down.
Yeah, sounds good for sure. Up to you. I don't want to have this awful moto situation.
I can't promise anything.
Well, everything can be chopped at this point.
Yeah.
Baby mobiles.
Keep it no problem.
I literally told my the money, and somehow it's going to straight up. Wow, we're wild trip. Yeah, we were last up here, and we thought like, okay.
Yeah, we went here and then all the way around this side. And South Peak up here and it's Broadway and then all the way down here.
We were trying to come down to this, but we ended up like there.
Oh, yeah.
So, but, all right, good times. Oh, yeah, I guess the Don was fitted that way. You had to keep on actually working hard. Ready to go?
Oh, yeah. I forgot to take time map on. I never dropped the front.
Yeah, when I went up front, I was like, oh, man, we had this like paper map, we kept going out and thinking about the ball.
Oh, yeah, I always buy block now. Except for so I had one, but they changed a bunch of the runs, and so it's trash, so I need to find a new one, so.
Well, cool. Hey, thank you.
Yeah, man. Good luck. We'll see y'all at the bottom. Woo woo! Okay.
Should we try sunny side? I'm joking. It's a joke. Please don't make me do sunny side.
That is completely up to you, sweetheart.
No, thanks.
Do whatever you feel like doing.
I don't feel like doing that. Oh, my goggles are loose. I'm not even going to try with them.
Huh? What do you mean they're loose?
They're on clip.
No, they're not.
No, they're not? Why are they so damn loose?
I don't know. Hey, turn your head over. So that's there. It's because they're just not even. Pull down on them evenly. Boom.
Now we're cooking.
It's almost like if you wear your right.
It would work.
Hi.
Crazy. No, I honestly need to have them off. I can't see shit.
Oh, really?
Come on.
Okay. Well, we'll just take it easy.
Oh no, like going this way is totally fine.
We'll go down. Why not? What we'll do is we'll go all the way down. Why not?
All right.
This time, it'll just be a different than running BC Skiway.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are y'all headed?
T-bar.
The Thunderhead?
Like the bar.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Yep. Where it says Steamboat Gondola.
Okay.
Thunderhead Lodge. That's what you're looking for.
Perfect.
Welcome. Why not? Ready? Oh, yeah. Oh. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Got it. There you go.
I know.
You want it before I get past you?
Oh. Yeah, Storm Meadows off of right away. Yeah. Nice, man. You bet.
Why not this way? You good? Excellent. Wee! Wee! Do it! Hashtag winning. It's all right. The GPS on the GoPro is turned off. They'll never know. I can speed it up in post-production. It'll look like you're doing 50.
Oh my gosh, so bad.
Take the audio away first, though. Well, no. The audio will give it away that you sped up the speed of the video. Right? Elk. You're using a safety squints. Whee! Carried a little too much speed around that corner.